Good morning, it's Colin here again, and today I'm doing like my first little video test with my new camera. It's Fujifilm X-T30 and I absolutely love it. It's an insane piece of equipment, and I look forward to all the adventures I take it on. And yeah, this is just a short little bit of cinematic-y style video. Like, this is my first proper time using it. So yeah, hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.
Every branch big with it, bent every twig with it, every fork like a white web foot, every street and pavement mute. Some flakes have lost their way and grope back upward when, meeting those meandering down, they turn and descend again. Palings are glued together like a wall, and there is no waft of wind with the fleecy fall. A sparrow enters the tree, whereon immediately a snow lump thrice his own slight size descends on him and showers his head and eyes, and overturns him and near inerns him, and lights on a nether twig, when its brush starts off a volley of other lodging lumps with a rush. The steps are a blanched slope, up which, with feeble hope, a black cat comes, wide-eyed and thin, and we take him in.